Welcome to our journey into the heart of one of the universe's greatest enigmas. Is Earth merely a cosmic experiment? Over the next hour, we will explore the intriguing possibility that our planet might not be a byproduct of random cosmic processes, but rather the centerpiece of an experiment on a scale beyond human comprehension. Through interviews with leading experts, examinations of peer-reviewed scientific research, and thoughtful discussions on Earth origins and astrobiology, we aim to unravel the mystery behind our home planet. As the stars have danced across the universe for billions of years, Earth has quietly evolved from a hot, lifeless rock into a vibrant sphere bursting with life. But what if there is more to this transformation than meets the eye? What if Earth is the result of an unforeseen cosmic experiment? Today we investigate this provocative idea from multiple scientific angles, exploring established theories and novel hypotheses. In our exploration, we will delve into topics such as astrobiology, planetary formation, and the intricate complexities of Earth origins. This documentary is designed to be accessible to a general audience while still reflecting the rigor of peer-reviewed scientific studies and expert interviews. So, buckle up and prepare for a journey that bridges the gap between what we know and the speculative possibilities that challenge our understanding of life and the cosmos. The concept of Earth as a cosmic experiment invites us to consider that the planet, with its intricate ecosystems and hospitable conditions, might have been purposefully designed or otherwise influenced by cosmic forces. One popular interpretation of this idea is that life on Earth is not simply the result of chance occurrences, but could instead be a deliberate outcome in a vibrant experiment spanning the cosmos. This notion challenges conventional models, such as the nebular hypothesis, which explains planetary formation through gradual coalescence of matter in space. Instead, the cosmic experiment hypothesis suggests that there might be hidden factors at play, possibly factors beyond known physics, or even the work of unknown cosmic entities. Such ideas, while speculative, serve as fertile ground for dialogue among scientists and philosophers alike. At its core, the idea of Earth being a cosmic experiment revolves around controlled variables and predetermined outcomes. In traditional experiments, a researcher manipulates conditions to observe specific reactions. In a similar vein, some theories propose that the constants of nature, such as gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces, may have been finely tuned to foster the evolution of life. Could these constants be the rules of a grand experiment? And if so, what does that mean for the very fabric of our reality? Understanding these questions involves exploring several fields of science, including astrobiology and astrophysics, to see whether evidence can be found that supports or refutes such profound suggestions about Earth's true origins. To move beyond speculation, scientists rely on evidence gathered through observation, experimentation, and peer-reviewed research. Let's delve into the historical and scientific evidence that interweaves our story of Earth's origins with the concept of a cosmic experiment. One of the compelling pieces of evidence that proponents of the cosmic experiment idea point to is known as the fine-tuning argument. Astrophysicists have long noted that the fundamental physical constants of the universe appear to be delicately balanced. Even the slightest variation in these constants could have rendered the universe, and by extension Earth, inhospitable to life. For instance, the precise strength of the gravitational force allowed for the formation of stars and galaxies, while ensuring that planets like Earth could retain an atmosphere conducive to life. Though many scientists attribute this fine-tuning to natural selection at the cosmic scale, or even the possibility of a multiverse, the observation remains striking. Is it possible that this balancing act is evidence of deliberate calibration, a key signature of a cosmic experiment? Astrobiology, the study of life in the universe, has brought forward intriguing insights about Earth's potential as a cosmic experiment. Researchers in this field examine how life might arise on other planets under similar conditions, and what makes Earth uniquely suited to hosting a biodiversity like no other found anywhere else. By comparing Earth with environments in extreme conditions, such as the hydrothermal vents in the deep ocean, scientists are gaining insight into how the building blocks of life can emerge and adapt. Geological and chemical evidence from Earth itself offers more clues. The rich tapestry of rocks, fossils, and isotopic signatures recorded over billions of years paints a picture of dynamic change and transformation. Some geologists propose that the unique sequence of events, from the formation of the early atmosphere to the stabilization of the climate, could suggest a series of fine-tuned occurrences that are hard to attribute solely to chance. Additionally, the study of meteorites and cosmic dust provides insights into the very building blocks that formed our planet. The findings present us with layered stories of cosmic collisions, supernova events, and interstellar transfers of material. These events raise questions about whether Earth's emergence was a solely stochastic process or if it was part of a larger, more intentional cosmic mechanism. To better understand these ideas, we have spoken with thought leaders from different scientific fields. Here are excerpts from our conversations with experts who provide both evidence and alternative viewpoints on the possibility of Earth being a cosmic experiment. Data is the lifeblood of science, and numerous studies have sought to analyze the conditions that govern planetary formation and evolution. Let's examine some recent research that explores these cosmic puzzles. Researchers across disciplines, from astrophysicists studying the dynamics of star systems to biologists tracking genetic evolution, are beginning to piece together a holistic picture of Earth's origins. Many studies rely on sophisticated computer models to simulate how planetary conditions evolve over billions of years. Some of these simulations show that life's emergence might occur only under highly specific conditions, which lends indirect support to the notion of a controlled cosmic experiment. A key insight from this research is the interplay between chance and necessity. While random cosmic events undoubtedly shape our environment, certain necessary conditions must be fulfilled for life to have a foothold. This confluence of randomness and predetermined order is at the heart of the debate surrounding Earth's origins and the possibility of a cosmic design. In recent decades, the discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system, has greatly expanded our understanding of where life might exist. While many of these worlds are inhospitable, a select few display characteristics that mirror Earth's life-friendly conditions. Comparing these worlds to our own, scientists can identify what might be unique about Earth. Such comparisons raise interesting questions. If Earth is indeed the product of a cosmic experiment, should we expect to find other planets with similar, designed features in their biospheres? Or is Earth singular in its capacity to nurture life? The emerging field of astrobiology continues to address these questions, using rigorous methods to analyze both the data from exoplanetary research and the historic narrative of our own planet. Another branch of thought considers that our universe might operate like a simulation, a grand experiment run by an intelligence beyond our current understanding. Although this notion is often relegated to the realms of philosophy and theoretical physics, it intersects intriguingly with the concept of Earth as a specially crafted experiment. Scholars note that if our universe exhibits simulated features, then perhaps the conditions observed on Earth are not entirely accidental. The structured emergence of life, combined with extraordinary cosmic coincidences, might be reflections of an underlying algorithm, one that was set in motion with specific parameters to test the emergence of consciousness and complex biological systems. Every hypothesis, no matter how tantalizing, faces rigorous scrutiny. Critics of the cosmic experiment theory argue that human tendency to seek patterns can lead us down paths where natural explanations are overlooked or undervalued. Many scientists maintain that the apparent fine-tuning and the unique conditions on Earth can be sufficiently explained by natural processes. For example, the anthropic principle suggests that we simply live in a universe capable of supporting life because if it were otherwise, we wouldn't be here to observe it. This self-selection bias leads some researchers to conclude that Earth's life-friendly conditions are merely one possibility among an almost infinite number of outcomes in a multiverse scenario. From this perspective, the idea that Earth is a cosmic experiment becomes less a result of deliberate cosmic design and more an outcome of natural probability. Critics argue that while the fine-tuning argument is fascinating, it does not necessarily imply intentional experimentation. Instead, it might just be a reflection of the inherent properties of our universe. Moreover, proving such a theory presents significant methodological challenges. The evidence must head beyond correlation to establish causation. So far, many of the indicators supporting a cosmic experiment remain circumstantial and are subject to multiple competing interpretations. Without concrete experimental evidence that transcends our current models, the hypothesis remains one of many interpretations of Earth's origins. Critics emphasize that the strength of science lies in its willingness to test and abandon ideas that do not stand up to empirical scrutiny. Thus, while many of the cosmic experiment ideas are captivating and intellectually stimulating, they require a more robust evidentiary basis before being embraced by the broader scientific community. After examining the intriguing evidence, expert interviews, and thoughtful counterarguments, we must ask, what is the most plausible explanation for the emergence and evolution of our planet? The narrative of Earth as a cosmic experiment offers a compelling framework, one that captures our imagination and challenges our view of nature and destiny. The debate balances on a knife's edge between two paradigms, one that finds meaning in a purposeful design through cosmic manipulation, and another that celebrates the inherent randomness and beauty of natural processes. Both paradigms bring valuable insights regarding Earth origins and the marvels of astrobiology, prompting us to reassess the relationships between life, environment, and the cosmic forces that guide both. What we can take away from this dialogue is that our understanding of Earth and the universe is still in a state of flux. In attempting to decipher whether Earth is merely a cosmic experiment, we are challenged to confront our limitations, explore new hypotheses, and remain open to the evolution of scientific thought. Today, we've navigated the fascinating possibility that Earth might be more than just a random byproduct of cosmic processes. Through our exploration of fine-tuning, astrobiology, geological records, and expert opinions, we have unearthed questions as profound as the universe itself. Whether Earth is a cosmic experiment or simply a natural marvel forged from the interplay of chance and necessity remains an open question. What is clear, however, is that each piece of evidence and every theory about Earth origins deepens our appreciation for the complexity of the cosmos. It invites us to think big and to consider that we might be participants in a grand, unfolding experiment, a tale of cosmic mystery that continues to captivate scientists and visionaries alike. As we continue our journey of exploration, the debate over Earth's true nature will undoubtedly spark further research and discussion. This documentary is but one chapter in an ever-expanding dialogue about life, the universe, and our place within it. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the possibility that Earth is a cosmic experiment. If you enjoyed this exploration of cosmic mysteries, please subscribe to our channel for more intriguing episodes. We invite you to leave your thoughts and comments below. Share your ideas about Earth origins, astrobiology, or any other cosmic experiments you might wonder about. Your insights are valuable as we all seek to uncover the secrets of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and remember that in this vast, awe-inspiring cosmos, every answer only leads to more questions. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.